to me are small. I feel like I don't have much lid space. I wanted to create a look that gives me a look of bigger eyes, but I want it super smoky. You know, super smoky looks can make your eyes look even smaller. So stay tuned with me. I'm going to show you how I did a very soft cut crease, and it's a dramatic look. And this will be a full tutorial with face contour, lips, eyes, everything. So let's begin. So I'm starting first with the Downtown and the Sultry palette. The Downtown palette is Juno & Co. Sultry palette is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I went in with the Anastasia palette first. I thought I showed it, but it's a very deep, dark brown color that I'm putting in my crease. And I'm using this Sigma brush from Sigma. It's probably a discontinued brush, but it's like their 217 brush. Sorry, I was eating an apple, but it was good and I was hungry. So in the crease, back and forth, really vigorously putting a lot of this in my eyes. In the crease, and as you can see, I don't have much of a defined crease, so this is kind of helping me define my crease. So now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going in with the orangey peach color, and I'm going in with this Morphe blending brush, and I'm going right at the top of that shadow. Now, if you guys want to see like serious cut crease, check out my girl B Marie. The girl is good with the cut crease, but she has a huge eye and she has a more defined lid, so she can do those dramatic type looks. I like to keep mine a little bit softer because I can't get away with it. She can. So now I'm going in with the black, it's Noir, and just a flat type of brush. This is an Urban Decay brush, and just putting this in the outer corner of the eye. And now I'm softening it out with that Morphe blending brush. Now I'm going in with the ColourPop concealer. This is just a very light color. I do not know the color. I'm so sorry. And I'm going in with a 266 brush from MAC Cosmetics. It's an angled 266 brush. Now, as you can tell, I'm actually trying to create a more defined crease, but again, mine will be soft. But it's helping, this is helping to define the crease space. You can also do these with the MAC paint pots or a more firm concealer. This is more of a liquidy concealer. You kind of work with this kind of fast because these dry so fast. And everywhere where you have painted this concealer, that's where eyeshadow is going to go, whatever color that you choose. Now I'm going in with that gold type bronzy color and a flat brush. It's the Urban Decay brush, and I'm going in the inner third of the eye, starting at the tear duct, and just a little bit because I want to fit 3 colors in here, but I'm blending them all together, and everything will be blended more at the end, but just stick with me. And excuse my eyebrows, I get a lot of comments about my eyebrows, and when I hold my eyebrows up, they don't look right, but I don't walk around with my eyebrows up in the air like that. And as you all know, I'm a cancer survivor. I don't really have any eyebrows after the chemo. Now I'm going in with the silvery color from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and putting it right next to it. But anyway, it's funny, I have to always explain that because I get trolls that come on here that make very rude comments. They don't bother me at all. I'm a cancer survivor. Nothing can bother me. So, whatever. But I just wanted to let you all know if you're wondering about the brows. Anyway, so I'm going in with the silver color right next to it. And now the Downtown palette from Juno & Co. And that kind of pinky color, I'm going right next to the silver color. And everything is just, I'm kind of blending it, but I'll blend it more at the end. Want to kind of go back and forth, and as you can see, I'm taking that black color and going into this so-called crease that I have. As you can see, I don't really have it, but it's like an illusion that you kind of can give. I'm not really touching the three colors with that brush. I was touching more of the crease, and now I'm defining the crease with the other colors. And now I'm going in with that bright color in the Anastasia palette, Sultry palette, and going underneath my brow. And now this is the e.l.f. liquid liner. I get this from Target. I love their liquid liner. It is so nice, and the brush is so easy to use to do a nice wing. You won't be able to really see much of the wing because the outer color is so dark. And again, that outer crease is going to be blended more in a minute. Sorry guys, I've lost the clip, or I wasn't recording I should say, but I'm going in with the Fenty foundation and a flat brush from Sigma. It's a flat top kabuki, and I'm actually going to put another layer of this Fenty on just because I wanted the look to be so dramatic and so much makeup. So I'm going in with another layer. So I had already put a layer on, now I'm going on with a second layer. I'm not so much focusing underneath the eye because I am going to be putting concealer underneath there. And again, the same ColourPop concealer that I put on the lid, I'm putting under the eye and down the center of the face. Favorite sponge right now, the Juno & Co. Microfiber sponge. I'll have the links to Juno & Co. so you can pick you up the sponge, which is like not expensive. I want to say it's between $4 and $6, and then the palettes are like between $12 and $14. And yes, the palettes are just as comparable. As you can see, I use some of the Juno & Co. palette and the Anastasia palette. Very comparable. I just kind of sprayed my face a little bit because I felt that the concealer was getting a little stiff and dry, so I just kind of wanted to get it reworking again. Now I'm going in with my favorite foundation stick for contouring, which is Earth from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going down the sides of my nose, and of course under the cheekbone and around the forehead. I'm going to take one of my favorite brushes from IT Cosmetics. It's their kabuki brush. Not positive what it's called, but it's very obvious on their site what it is. Just kind of blend blending everything out, and then I'll go in with the sponge in a minute to blend everything. So I'm going in with this Blend concealer brush just to kind of soften the sides of my nose with that contour. And of course, I'm going to go over everything with a sponge in a minute just to blend everything out. And now I'm blending everything out with the microfiber sponge. Now I'm going in with the Stila Gold Glow. This is from eBay. I love this in the M501 Morphe brush. My favorite eyeshadow for my highlight. It's an eyeshadow, but I love it. And I just wanted you guys to see how soft this is. And just, I love this look. I'm going in with my dark blush palette from e.l.f. and just the top two colors. And now just to soften everything out with this Ben Nye powder and this E51, I believe, brush from Morphe. This kind of helps to soften everything out. So it's not too much blush, etc., etc. Now I'm going in just to kind of soften everything out. I wanted to put a little bit of that gold underneath that line there. And now I'm going in with Current lip liner from MAC. One of my favorite lipsticks, All Fired Up from MAC. It is a matte lipstick. Love it. Just kind of going over everything. And I'm going to spray my face. And that is the look. Alright guys, make sure you click those notifications so you know when I'm coming out with another video. And I will see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you soon.